You enter from here and you are out from there. Self-explanatory kind of a strategy. So that's the thing. With this strategy, I've made about 150 USD, guys. 150 USD with this strategy. So I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can actually set it. It doesn't matter the amount of money you are having. It may be 5 USD, 10 USD. As long as you are able to place a trade, you can still make this amount of money I'm talking about. So that's the thing. So I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you set it, how you get started. So that's the thing. So these are the indicators that we're going to use. This is how it's going to look after setting it up, but just always, I'm going to actually walk you through on how you can actually set it up. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to delete everything so that we can get started in terms of setting up. So we're going to have a moving average and stochastic oscillator and another moving average. So just 3 indicators and you are home and dry. So we're going to remove them. We're going to come on edit, remove them. So we have a blank chart here and we come here to come there on the main window chart, and we're going to come on the moving average. So the moving average, guys, ensure that you put the properties that I've put and ensure that you put the colors that I'm using so that it can not confuse you. So on the period, we're using 8 shift 0 method exponential applied to close, and on the levels doesn't matter, visuality doesn't matter. Here you can put it at all time frames, and here when it comes to the colors, I want you to use the colors that I'm using as a star. So the color we are using is blue. We click done. So basically this moving average is giving us the overall direction of the market. So the moment we see this blue line under the market, we know that the market is in an uptrend, but if we see it above the market, we know that it's in a downtrend. So it will help us on how we enter our trades. So that's a thing. And from here, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. It will take nothing from you. Subscribe to the channel, hit that icon bell so that you can be notified each and every time I drop a new video. Like the video so that it can reach to as many people as it can reach out to. You're losing nothing. And let's go back to the second indicator that we are going to actually use. We come there. The second indicator will be the stochastic oscillator, where here it is. We click there. These are the properties I want you to actually put there. So the K period will be 60, the D period will be 1, the sloping will be 1, then the price field will be close, the method will be exponential, and the levels we are putting will be 20 and 10. I just want you to actually indicate this in terms of the description. Your 20 will be your buy, your 8 will be your sell, and the star we are using is black, and click done. And you come on the main star, we are putting it to green, and on the signal we are putting it to red. And we click done. So you have something like this that will be showing on your chart now. So that's a thing. And for those people that are yet to join our Telegram group, I don't know what you're waiting for, guys. There is a Telegram channel and we give free signals each and every particular day. We don't charge for signals. We make money in the financial market while charging for signals. So these are signals that I personally trade, and these are signals that will profit you for free of charge. The only thing that you have to do is to click the link in the description and you go there and check out the description. There are so many things that will help you in terms of maximizing your trading journey, in terms of profits in the financial market. They will really help you. Check it out. So that's a thing. So let's go to our third indicator. We click there, we come on window indicator, window 1 there, we click there. The third one is the moving average, guys. We click on the moving average. We actually just do the same settings like previously. The period 8 shift 0 method exponential apply to close, exactly the same things, and even the style we put blue, exactly the same settings that we add with our first moving average, and click OK. And from here, I believe is self-explanatory. Let me just quickly explain to you how this indicator is working. So you just don't join, just don't trade anyhow. There is rules to everything. There are rules to everything. Like I will say, the problem that a lot of traders have is not necessarily how to trade, but the capital. So that's the main reason I come up with these interesting videos on how you can actually trade each and every day. You can raise up your small account of maybe 5 USD, 10 USD to something that is substantial, that you can trade in the financial market with. So if this strategy will be of help to you, ensure that you like it and ensure that you share it with your friends. But if at all you feel it's so complicated, you can actually go for another strategy. But each and every strategy that I post on this channel is proved. But don't go using it on your real account without testing it on your demo account, guys. Test it on your demo before you go on the real account. So if you can see here, like I explained, for example, in a buy setup, the market you should ensure that it's beneath the buy zone, which is a 20%. It should be beneath the buy zone, and the moment you see a close is an indication that you are about to buy. But you don't enter simply because you have seen a close beneath the buy zone. This whole zone is a buy zone. You don't enter simply because you have seen this. You only enter when you see this market closing the blue line on the main chart. So the moment you see that, it's a confirmation that we are now in an uptrend, and you can enter from here, and you're only out of the market when you see another closing, when this market closes this blue line, which simply means you are signaled to say that okay, you will enter anytime soon. So for example, if you can check there, it will be here, so the market will be somewhere here. It's just a signal. You don't enter, you wait for it first and foremost to close this blue line. The moment there is a close in this blue line, you actually put your orders here, and your stop loss should be beneath this point, and you are actually going to run with the market from here until the market is closed. This blue line is closed, which simply means you're entering from here, somewhere here, and you'll be out somewhere there. And this is 15 minutes, guys. You know what that means. If at all you have a lot size of 1, or maybe probably a lot size of 0.5, depending with the amount of money that you're having. Trust me, this one made me on one position, not two, one position, a 150 USD. So it's worth it. So it doesn't matter if it's a buying, it's a close. You can apply it vice versa and double check it using your demo before you use it on your real account. This same applies whether it is in a buy setting, so it's the same thing. So here it's in the sell zone, if you can see there, but you don't enter the market simply because you have seen it, like I said, it closing here. You don't enter, you only enter if you see the market, if you see the blue line is above the market. So the moment we saw this closing here, which is here, if you see this close here that happened here, the market was somewhere here. We don't enter until we see somewhere here to say that okay, now the blue line is above the market. We enter from there, and we only come out of the market when we see the blue line is beneath the market. So which simply means here would have gone with it way up to somewhere here. So I'm talking about somebody entering the market from here all the way up to there. If at all you're not scared coming out from here, because I've said to say that you only go out if you see to see that okay, now here it's clear the blue line is beneath. So you're entering from there up to there, and just imagine these are 15 minutes candles, guys. It's a lot of money. So that's the thing. So just backtest it using your demo and see the strategy, how it's working. It has worked marvelous for me, and I hope it will work out marvelously for you. Love you so much. I'm the Master Trader MC of here. See you in the next video.